Hi there. Today I'll be explaining division by 5, particularly looking at numbers from 80 divided by 5 to 100 divided by 5. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, I'm saying please click on that subscription button for you to get great content like this and more. So let's jump right into it. So number one is 80. So we're starting with the first one, 80 divided by 5. And for 80 divided by 5, remember what I said, when you have a number that has a 0 at the end, just strike out the 0 here and you add the second digit. So 8 plus 8. Now 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So that is our answer. The answer is 16, and that's all. If you like, you can say 16.0 if you want it like that. So that's the first one. Now the second one, number 2. And the second one, number two is 81 divided by 5. So for 81 divided by 5, all we need to do is what? We divide this first one, right? Now 1 cannot divide 5. Basically 1 cannot divide 5. Now if you've watched my video before, I did this particular 1 divided by 5 and we got the 0.2, right? Meaning, since 1 cannot divide 5, all we need to do is what? Add 1 to itself, right? We get a 0.2. Good. And we repeat the same thing for what? 8. 8 plus 8 is what? 16. So we have 16.2 as our answer. Now the third example is 82 divided by what? 5. Beautiful. 82 divided by 5, we're still repeating the same thing. We add 2 to itself. Now 2 cannot divide 5, so that means we're going to get a point with a number, right? So 2 plus 2 gives us 4, so that means we have a 0.4. Now 8 plus 8 gives us 16, so we write 8 as 16.4. So number 4 is basically 83 divided by 5. So I want you to try this and just try this particular one and let me know what you got in the comment section. Likewise, number 5 is 84 divided by 5. I need you to try this one also. Just try it on your own. Now note that since this number cannot divide 5, right, we're adding it to itself, and that means we're going to get a point, the next number. Likewise this, right, we're going to get point the other number. So number 6 is now 85 divided by 5. Now this is a game changer and I want to do this myself. So we add this 5 to itself. 5 divided by 5 we know is 1, right? So we keep 1. But in this case, this is a trick, right? This is a trick, so we don't do it like that. 5 plus 5 gives us 10, right? So what do? I'll write 0 and carry 1. Good, right? And carry 1. Again, we add this number to itself. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is what? Is 16. 16 plus the 1 outside gives us 17. So this is 17.0 as our answer. So I said 5 plus 5 gives us 10. You write 0, carry 1, right? In some cases, you can just strike out that 0. You don't need it, right? So write 0, carry 1, and add 8 to itself. 8 plus 8 gives us 16. So 16 plus 1 is basically 17. So that about that. Now number 7 is 86 divided by what? 5. Now 86 divided by 5, we're adding this number to itself. We get 6 plus 6 gives us 12, right? So I'll write 2 and carry 1. 2 and carry 1, right? Now 8 plus 8 here gives us what? 16. 16 plus the 1 outside is 17. So this is 17.2 as our answer. 17.2 as our answer. Likewise, number 8 is 8 divided. Number 8 is 87 divided by 5. So I need you to do this also on your own. Now, number 9. Number 9 is 88 divided by 5. For 88 divided by 5, we also add this number to itself. 8 plus 8 gives us 16. So I'll write 6 and carry 1. Now, 8 again plus 8 gives us what? 16. 16 plus the 1 outside plus this 1 outside gives us what? 17. So this is 17.6 as our answer. Beautiful. Now number 10. Number 10 is basically 89. 89. 89 divided by 5. 89 divided by 5, so we're adding 9 to itself. 9 plus 9 gives us 18. So I write 8 and keep 1 aside. Now 8 plus 8 is what? 16. 16 plus 1 gives us what? 17. So this is 17.8. And 11 is 90. 90 divided by 5. Now for 90 divided by 5, we're also striking out 0 here, and we add 9 to itself. 9 plus 9 is 18. So our answer is what? Basically 18. Answer is basically 18. So our 12 now, but 12 is 91 divided by 5. So if 90 divided by 5 was 18, right? 91 divided by 5 would be what? 18.2, right? Good. 13. Now, 92 divided by 5 will be what? 18.4. Now, likewise, 14. 93 divided by 5 will be what? 18.6. So I just need you to try it on your own, and see how it goes. Now I want to solve down to, okay, 90. Now 15 is 94 divided by 5. Try this. 16. 95 divided by 5. Now 5 divided by 5 gives us what? 1. So let's keep 1 aside. Let's keep 1 aside and add this one to itself. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is what? 19. So this is 19. Now, verse 7. 96 divided by what? 5. 96 divided by 5, we're going to get what? If you subtract 1 from this, right, you get a 95. That's 19. So 1 divided by 5 is what? 2. So this is 19.2. Meaning, now 6 plus 6 is what? 6 plus 6 is 12. So you write 2 and carry 1. Now 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. And we have that. Number 18. Now for number 18, we're having 97 divided by 5. And 97 divided by 5, 97 divided by 5 is, we have 7 plus 7, add 7 to itself, you get to 14. So you write 4 and carry 1. You add this 1 to it, add this number to itself. 9 plus 9 gives us 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So this is 19.4. Now, 19. So I need you to solve 98 by 5. 90. This is 20 now. Number 20. 99 divided by 5. And finally, 100 divided by 5. So I'll sort this. Now 100 divided by 5, what I said is we strike out one of the zeros, right? So in this case, we have a 3-digit number, 1, 2, and 3. This is the first one, this is the second one, and this is a 3-digit number. So what we need to do is we'll strike out this, right? Now 0 plus 0 is 0. Let me write down the 0. Now 1 plus 1 here is 2. So this is 20 as our answer. What did I say? I say strike out this one, add this to itself. It gives you 0, right? The 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, and your answer is 20. Now 22. 22 is 101 divided by 5. So this is where I'm going to end this video. So you add this to itself. Now remember what we did by dividing 1 by 5 always gives us what? 0.2. So, and 0 plus 0 is what? 0. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So this is 20.2. So this is how it goes. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.